Hi everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to make this flower stitch. It's not too hard to make and I will use it somewhere you like, I'm sure of that. So I want to show the stitch first. I will use this yarn, it's Kartopu Bamboo Sakura. It's bamboo and acrylic. And I will use 3.5mm crochet hook. If you are ready, please don't forget to subscribe to my channel and let's start. I will start with a slip knot. For this pattern, we need multiples of 20 chains plus 13 chains for one time. Okay? Now I will start with 20 plus 13. It's 33 chains. I'll complete my chains and turn. I made my 33 chains and now I will turn my work. You see that back loops? I will make single crochets from that back loops. I skip the first one and starting from the second one, I'll make single crochets. When I complete this row, I will totally have 32 single crochets. Just finish this row. I made my single crochets and now chain 8. 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. Turn your work. Skip 1, 2 and 3. Okay, count this 1, 2, 1, 2 and 3 into that 4, 1. Grab the yarn over, insert your hook here, grab the yarn over and pull it through from first 2 loops, yarn over and pull it through from second 2 loops. We made a single crochet, double crochet, sorry, and we will make 5 double crochet. With this it will be 6, 4, 5 and 6. Chain 4, skip 4 into that next single crochet, make a double crochet and make 5 more. 3, 4, 5, 6. Chain 4, skip 4 and make 6 double crochet starting from the 5th single crochet. 4, 5 and 6. At the end, chain 3, you have 3 loops, yarn over 3rd time. Okay, we will make double trebles. Insert your hook here, grab the yarn over and pull it through from first 2 loops, yarn over and pull it through from second 2 loops, pull it through from third 2 loops and pull it through from fourth 2 loops. Okay, we complete this row like that. For the next row, I will start with 8 chain again. Yarn over 3rd time, We will make double trebles into that space. We'll start from here. 1, 2, 3, 4. That's the first one. And make second one. And third one. Yarn over third time again. Just skip here and into that space we will make 3 more. First, chain 6, yarn over third time, 1, 2, 3. Yarn over third time and skip here into the next one. Make 1, 2, 3, chain 6, make 3 more. And for the last time you will make 3 more double treble here, chain 3, yarn over third time, make 1 more, and that's how we complete the row 2. And for row 3 we will start with chain 3, and into that 3 chain space we will make 1, 2 and 3 double crochet. With this first 3 chain it's 4 double crochet. Chain 4, skip here into that next chain space we will make 6 double crochet again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Actually, that's a kind of repeat this row. It's not exactly the same because we start and make half of it here. Okay, now we will make our 6 double crochets here, 4 chains here. It's 1, 2, 3, 4. Make 6 double crochet. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I have a yarn problem. Why is like that? I'm not sure why always while I'm recording video that's happened. It's not happened while I crocheting by myself. It's a curse, I think. I chain 4 and into that last space I will make 4 double crochet. Okay, that's actually half of a flower. Now we will complete it. Chain 4, turn, yarn over third time, and into that space we will make 3 double treble. 1, 2, and 3. Okay, chain 6, yarn over third time into same space, make 1, 2, 3. Yarn over, insert into next chain 4 space and make 3 double treble. Chain 6 and make 3 more. That's 1, 2, 3. Skip here and 1, 2, 3. Chain 2. Now 6, and we will make one more time. That's 1, 2, 3. Now yarn over twice and we will make a treble into that first chain, 3 chain we made. And we complete our first flower set. Now we will start to make another one. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Turn and make 6 double crochet here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. Chain 4 into the next chain 6 space, make 6 double crochet. Just keep making like that. When you finish this row, you will repeat this one, chain 8, and make 3 double treble into that very first space. Okay, and into the next row you will start with chain 3 and make 4 double crochet with this chain 3, chain 4, 6 double crochet, and then you will start with chain 4, make 3 double treble, 6 chain, 3 double treble. Okay, keep repeat these rows and you will have a flower garden. And I want to show you how to finish this stitch. I like to finish it with single crochet as I start here. Just chain 1, turn, and into that 3 chain space make 3 single crochet. Into that 6 double crochet, make 6 double crochet. Actually we will make a single crochet for every stitch. make 6 here, make 4 here, 6, 4, 6, and make 3 here. Okay? And when you complete this row, you will have your starting single crochet number. Okay? And that's it. I want to show you bigger one like that. And I hope you like it. If you like, please don't forget to push the like button and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Sirin's Crochet is my Instagram address. You can reach me there and you can write comments below. I like to read your comments every time I say this, but I really like them. And that's it for today. Hope to see you again. Have a nice day.